What's up guys, Cody here at Sonic Electronics. We're at the Metra booth at SEMA 2024. We're looking at their complete audio packages in partnership with Vibe. So this is Metra in a partnership with Vibe, coming together with some really cool custom fit kits. The one we got here specifically is the 2019 to 2024 Sierra and Silverado. So we got Shay with us from Metra. He's an expert. Shay, tell us a little bit about what this kit comes with, what are some of the cool components, and what we're looking at here.
All right, Cody, thanks for having me. So yes, this is our all-in-one audio kit in partnership with Vibe Audio out of the UK. So what you're going to get in this is a complete one-box package. So you're going to get all the Vibe speakers that you see. So you've got your dash speakers, your door speakers, your rear door speakers. You're going to get all those Metra installation parts. So your speaker harnesses, your speaker adapter plates. Also from Vibe, you're getting their amps. You're getting our Access DSP that's going to be pre-tuned for that Bose amplified system. That's where this is the ETH1 Access DSP. Of course, you have the harnessing. That's where the year change because there's a break in the connections, right?
Yeah.
You're going to get this custom CNC amp board. It actually has all the locations that actually bolt to the back wall of the truck. So after you take all that Bose amplifier and everything out of the truck, it's going to bolt right in its place. The board is all broken down to where everything needs to go. So where you just basically build it all on the workbench, get everything installed, put it in the truck. And then of course, a system wouldn't be complete without a subwoofer. You get that custom built box designed by one of our former Installer Institute instructors, tuned to 36 Hertz is that single 10.
Awesome. Well, yeah, I mean, it's incredible they came out with the CNC board, makes everything really easy to install, put it all together, pop it right in. I think that's just one of those little extra features that kind of take that product to the next level, really just bring it all together to make it that complete audio package, as well as an easier install. So I appreciate it, Shay. Be sure to check this out on Metra's website, on Vibe's website, and hop on over to sonicelectronics.com to pick yours up today. And we'll see you guys in the next one.